mission. My mission is to show the world that magics happen when we refuse to give up. So I'm here tonight to represent myself confidently in front of you all. I am contestant number 8, Christina Hippie from West Carbianlong, Hilampi. I am student by profession and currently pursuing my education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Kearney. My hobbies are listening to music, reading, and cooking. I want to become a successful agriculture manager. So I believe that being different should be our superpower because it is what makes us unique. We all are born to stand up. We all have some special quality placed within us so that we could stand up. So in this few words, I would like to conclude my introduction to you all. Thank you for listening to my words. Thank you and have a joyful evening.
All present over here. My name is Alicia. I am your contestant number 3. I am 20 years of age, currently pursuing my EVA UG first semester at Rangsna College, Dongkamukam. And I am from a very beautiful place called Kolonga Karbirong Sopi, West Carbianlong. Talking about my hobbies are singing, dancing, and traveling. And my aim in life is to become a teacher. And as I would like to inspire the youths that always stand up for yourself. Don't let your dreams remain dreams. You deserve to be loved for who you are. You don't have to be perfect. True beauty shines from within, illuminating the world with kindness and grace. Thank you. Have a great evening to you all.
And everyone present here. My name is I am from Olong Komaji. Currently, I am pursuing my 5th semester in Romalian College, Olong Komaji. And my hobbies are traveling, cooking, listening music, and singing. Thank you, and have a joyful evening ahead, everyone.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am contestant number 9. My name is I'm currently pursuing my higher secondary from Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Difu. And I'm from a pedagogic and a pretty and a delightful town and a headquarters of Carbianlong, Difu. As far as I'm concerned, my hobbies are, I love dancing, singing, acting, and modeling too. As talking about my aim in life, I want to be an independent human. Also, I have chosen this platform because I believe that now the beauty pageantry has provided good power. And yes, I want to empower the Caribbean women. Thank you.
Hello, Alonso! Firstly, a very warm good evening to the respected juries and to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen present here. I am Anjali Hassamsa from Manja, your contestant number 5. As a person, I'm very fun-loving and I love to take up new challenges. My biggest strength includes confidence, a positive outlook towards difficult circumstances, and the ability to acclimatize myself according to the situation. My ultimate goal includes to be an independent girl as well as an inspiration for all the youngsters out there. So here I am living my dreams and still a long way to go. Thank you and have a wonderful evening to you. Present here, I wish to enjoy this beautiful evening, the Golden Jubilee celebration of Carbi Youth Festival. Thank you. And the cherished audience member, Bardo. I am Romalian Panchoki, a 20 years old, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts at Difu Girls College. Hailing from the beautiful place called Chukihula, the Mili constituency. Today I stand before you with a grace and heart filled with gratitude, ready to embark on this journey as a finalist contestant of Miss KYF 2024. Last but not least, enjoy the evening. Thank you.
22. I am from Hanjang Lanso and I am a teacher by profession and a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. My hobbies include dancing, listening to music, and finding solace in painting. Helen Keller once said, "The world's most beautiful things cannot be seen or touched. It can only be felt with your heart." So here I am, seeking an experience of a lifetime because I believe we only live once, so why not live the way you always wanted? Thank you.
A very warm good evening to the respected judges and everyone present out there. It's a big pleasure for me to be standing here tonight. My name is Pirbitirangpi and I belong from here itself, Tarlang Sojiku Karbianglong. I'm 18 years of age and now I'm currently pursuing my education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School at 12th standard in the fields of arts. Talking about my interest lies in cooking, dancing, writings, readings, and last but not least, modeling. Today I'm standing here proudly and confidently, ready to conquer all my fears in life and to give wings to my childhood dreams, which I have been dreaming since then. And I strongly believe that if you have deep faith to the Almighty God, then everything will be possible. And you really work hard upon your dreams with grit and determination, then nothing can be impossible in life. Definitely, you can achieve your spark and legacy in future. Thank you.
Pardon to all the beautiful people present here. My name is Melody Cherompi and I'm from a beautiful place called Hamren, West Korbianglong. Currently, I'm a working person as assistant manager in a lodging hotel. I'm honored here to present my culture and tradition in front of you all. Lastly, I want to say that self-belief and love yourself is more important in your life. Thank you.
Pardon, namaste, and good evening, Taralangso. With a dream in my heart and passion in my soul, I am your contestant number 19. My name is Sera Rompipi, 19 years young, from South Richo. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Zoology at Devraj Roy College, Golaghat. Just know there's only one you, and understand who you are and the uniqueness you carry. Last but not the least, one message I have for everyone attending this Mega Karbi Youth Festival on the occasion of the 50th, that is the Golden Jubilee. Do not forget your roots. Thank you. Pardon.
Number 14 from Romalian Dipu. I'm a student of humanities and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor from Dipu Government College. Lapen Karbi Ekai to Machin Honangji. Thank you so much.
Pardon and good evening, respected jury members and each and everyone present here. I am Junior Baby, your contestant number 18 from Tangkabukam. I'm 21 years old, currently pursuing my BA in Sociology from St. Mary's College, Shillong. Last but not least, let's love our culture and tradition. Thank you.
And good evening to respected judges and one and all present here. My name is Sera Romhampi. I'm 19 years old, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts first semester from Dipu Government College. And I belong from a very beautiful place where our culture is our pride. Dipu Karbianglong! And I strongly believe that believing in yourself and having the confidence